Come and take a ride to the ocean. Stay. Introduce you to the ocean.
Alright, so I don't know how well you can hear me right now. I got some music playing in the background. I hope it isn't too much of a problem, but we're here at Rocky Point Clam Shack at a little car meet. It's mostly old school cars, a lot of older Mustangs, Corvettes. There's a nice little red truck right in front of me. But I came across this little gem right here.
These are the Drifters, something called Night Tears. Hey, don't forget, we're here every Monday and Friday night.
This is just
Creamery in Cranston.
A thing of beauty. So it's a kit from a company called Factory 5 is the company that makes the kit. So they provide you with the body and the frame, and then you just kind of add your own components to it. So he's got some nice Willwoods on here, some nice American racing rims. It looks like this car is clean. So yeah, again, you get with the Factory 5 kit, they give you the sheet metal body. Could even potentially be fiberglass, I'm not 100% sure. And they also provide you with the metal frame and essentially all the components, steering rack, all the components to get yourself a nice older Chevy or Ford. I think they might only do Chevys, not sure. I'm not too familiar with the company. The gentleman who owns this car's name is Patrick. He gave me a little tour around it, but as you can kind of hear, the music's kind of loud. But yeah, he uses a Mauser 8.8-inch rear axle. So it's like an inch thick, solid all the way through. I mean, just gorgeous. Check out the back. Nice rag top on it. This car is exactly the type of work we're going to be doing on this channel. 100% custom built. I mean, yeah, it's a kit car, but I mean, there's just so much work that comes into putting these kits together. You got some nice Willwood brakes in there, American racing wheels, people driving by beeping. But yeah, this car is a little peek of the interior. Yeah, he said it's running about 400 horses. He didn't give me a cubic inch size, so I don't know the size of the motor, but he just said it's a Chevy crate motor. Yeah. Got the inboard suspension in there. This is gorgeous. So yeah, airplanes and fire trucks. So yeah, we're gonna take a closer look at this car, and then I'll check out some of the other cars here. Wait for the fire trucks. So yeah, we'll get some nice shots of this beauty. Check out this nice red truck next to it as well. Get some shots of some of the other cars here. There's not too many here. There's probably 15 or 20 cars. And then we'll head out. I don't know if we're gonna do the whole cruise part. I'm probably just gonna head out of here a little early and just make this a little bit of a show video for you guys. So let's check this thing out a little bit more and see some of the other cars.